too can cook Korean barbecue at home, and you can do it with things that you already have lying around, like a fry pan. Or maybe you have one of these lying around, a portable barbecue. You can pick up one of these from your local Asian grocer. For a lot of these meats, you can cook them on the frying pan as well, and it tastes just as good. I've got some of this pork right here. I'm also going to cook some beef as well. So we've got some marinated beef, and why not? I'll also chuck on another piece of this unmarinated beef as well. So come this way, let's go cook up some food. One of the most important things about cooking meat is that you don't want to have the fry pan too hot. I've actually put my electric stove here to about halfway, just over half. So you're actually going to want to cook the pork first, and the reason why you want to do that is because it's going to release a lot of that fat, and that fat's going to basically act as a great way of greasing up the pan so that your meat doesn't stick. Alright, so our marinated meat is now well and truly cooked. Our steak is also done. Our pork is almost ready to go. One of the important things about these ones here is that you get to use your cooking scissors. It'll actually make it cook a little bit faster. What you're aiming to do is actually make these into bite-sized pieces. Alright, as I said before, you don't need a fancy setup to cook Korean barbecue. All you need is a pan and a can-do attitude. Oh my god. Oh, that's so good. Oh wow.
Very fruity.
So one of the really cool things you can also take away from these guys is beer and soju. So I'm gonna have some of this delicious Korean beer. Oh yeah. Ganbae. This chicken's great. Oh Cindy, I had no idea how hungry I was. Seriously.
Me too.
Alright, so what have you got there, Cindy? Is that a kimchi
pancake?
So good. Right here we have some delicious fried chicken.
With this food, I will never go out anymore. You can also order some fried rice as well. It looks so tasty.
You have to try some of these noodles. Would you recommend ordering Korean barbecue takeaway?
Definitely. I want to have barbecue every day.
Cindy, we've got some of this delicious sotok. That's the flavor right there. I'm gonna try some of these delicious looking seaweed sesame seed balls. That is really tasty.
Right?
Try one of these.
It's like a bento food.
Yeah, right? We are going to make a soju bomb. And in order to make a soju bomb, you're going to need soju and some beer. Ganbae. That was good.
Wow, that's really strong. It's like different alcohol mixed all together.
I would strongly recommend going to Hannara, picking up some takeaway, taking it home, and having that experience, having something to look forward to, because it's not just an average takeaway experience. It's something that you get to enjoy with your friends, your loved ones, or your family. You know, in this time where we're not allowed to go out, but we can still, you know, enjoy what we have.
Have lots of fun in our life.
Exactly.